Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So new leaks concerning Samsung's forthcoming mid-range, the Galaxy A53 5G has surfaced on the internet. WinFuture has obtained official renders of the Galaxy A53 in two additional hues, namely blue and orange. The Galaxy A53 5G has been subject of numerous rumors over the last few weeks. The A53 in black and white has already been revealed by the same source. The device's official renders in blue and orange are now making the rounds on the internet. Aside from the blue, the orange hue is a bit of a unique choice for a smartphone, especially one for Samsung. By the way, the Galaxy A53 5G looks stunning in orange. There are some minor upgrades in the A53 but nothing big. As a result, Samsung is carefully preserving its sales engine and tweaking the design once more. As previously stated, there is a good mid-range technology paired with an attractive appearance. The case is entirely constructed of plastic on the outside and has a comparatively broader display frame when compared to the top models in the S22 series. On the back, the phone looks remarkably identical to its predecessor, the Galaxy A52, with the exception that Samsung has updated the design language surrounding the camera module and smoothed the transitions. On the back, 4 cameras are mounted once more. The Galaxy A53 5G is believed to be powered by the Exynos 1200 SoC, which has yet to be disclosed. There appear to be 8 CPU cores in Exynos 1200. 2 of those CPU cores have a 2.4 GHz clock speed, while rest have a 2 GHz clock speed. Further investigation found that the processor used the ARM Mali G86 GPU, which is a 2 generation old and may underperform in gaming unless Samsung has added a lot of cores. We would however continue to wait for the official release. Moving on, the working memory and internal memory are configured differently. Therefore, some models will likely have a 6 gigs of working memory while others will have 8 gigs depending on the country and location. Internal flash memory is at least 128 gigs and can be upgraded to 1 TB via micro SD card slot. The phone will come with a fingerprint reader hidden beneath the surface of the 6.5 inches Super Amoled display, which has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a maximum refresh rate of 120 Hz. There will also be bands that a standard mid-range phone will feature. There hasn't been any words on pricing yet, but if anything does come out, I will be sure to let you know, so stay tuned. So what do you think about this A53 5G? Let me know your thoughts in comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.